Hi boys and girls, so today we're doing lesson 1-7, decimal place value. So it says Juan is competing in a game show. Every time he answers a question correctly, a bulb lights up. Shown below is what the board looks like at the end of the show. How could you describe Juan's score? Okay, so let's look. This is the model that they're giving us, okay? And they want us to see how can we show Juan's score. So we have to read this model. Okay, so like if I read this model, first I need to see how many circles are in here. So let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 just in this one strip. So I can count this by 10. I can say, okay, 10. Let me make that better. I can say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then I have these 3 left, so 81, 82, 83. So I know there's 83 in there. He scored 83. But now I need to put that in the place value chart. So remember, we're dealing with decimals. So we're going to be looking at this part of the place value where we're dealing with decimals now. Okay? So because this model is not fully shaded, because it's not fully shaded all the way, these little circles are not shaded. Because it's not fully shaded, I am not going to have anything in the ones column. There's not going to be anything. So I'm going to put a 0. We always drop down our decimal. And then I go back and I see, okay, he got 83. So when I go in here, I put the 8 in the tenths place and the 3 in the hundredths place. That is how I write a decimal. Okay, so remember, if it's not fully shaded, you have 0 ones, and then you plug it in 8 in the tenths, 3 in the hundredths. That is how we read a model and make a decimal.